Alright, this episode on the Straussgang, we're doing our condom video part 2. Our first condom video has done really freaking well. I'm so happy with that. It's got over 4,000 views.
Even though it's one of the shittiest videos we've made. Not shitty, but like the stupidest video.
It's one of the dumber videos we've done.
Whatever the case.
We're going to do it again now that it's not freezing cold out.
It's a big hit. It's not snowing this time. Braden, as you can see, has a new freaking stack right in the back of his truck. So we're gonna put condoms and balloons and shit on that. Hopefully, I don't know if you want to get a load too, we can get some hose clamps and drive around with a condom on too. So
probably just gonna pop. Well, I've got zip ties though, so okay. I still don't want condom melted on my dog. All that.
Why not, dude? Yeah. So basically, probably a week after that condom video was made, the first one, my car broke down. The engine literally stopped.
Well, what's funny is Ben came up to me and he goes, "Dude, I seriously think a condom got sucked up my exhaust pipe." And we were all freaking out, just like the parents are gonna find a condom in this car. Like, were you trying to fuck the car? Like,
got a new engine in there, it's the same old 5.7 liter V8, all that jazz. So it's still badass, but now with a new engine. So that's sick. So right now we're going to Target, and we're gonna get some really big condoms.
Magnum, baby.
Yeah, probably Magnum.
from my Magnum zone.
And
My Magnum.
we're gonna get some party balloons. And I don't know if they have those little, like, you know,
I don't think it's gonna fit on. I don't think this is gonna fit on.
no, not the ones that
You're almost on the gas tank.
No, I'll get one.
You're unempty.
Stay tuned for some condoms on a car. Might make that description. Heading to Target.
Going to Target. We're actually not going to Walmart.
Yeah, this is
Not
the
this
first.
time.
We didn't have the time to drive.
Yeah, we
We
just
go
wanted
to
to get.
Super Target.
We would have gone to
Which
Walmart.
side are the condoms? Oh, they're on this side.
I haven't shopped for condoms here yet, so condoms.
Hey guys, where are the condoms at?
Yeah, it's definitely out here. There's no way it's by the shampoo. Oh, here we are. Here we are. Oh, here we go. 36 count Magnums.
Pictures of condoms.
We're getting those?
36?
Yeah. How much money do you have? We're all pitching in again.
Yeah, we're all good. I've got.
I can give you like 5. Do you have 5?
How much are they?
They're $15.
Oh my god.
Do 36 of them. It'll be fine.
Okay,
36.
fine.
36.
Okay,
We'll have some left over.
All right, now balloons.
Bring more bubble shots.
All of it.
You want it all in a bag?
I told you, $20. Alright, let's go. Yeah.
Wait, where are we parked?
We're here.
Oh, okay.
Go back to the house and frickin' line up some costumes. Now, we're on the way back. We decided we're going to the main parking lot so everyone can see us do this. So I'm
Free marketing, right?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
that's the best marketing technique.
Yeah.
It's condoms.
Your element's an
No
ass.
twat.
Your element's an ass. Your element is an ass. So your family watches this?
You have all the elements of ass. Right?
My mom and I believe my Uncle Steve are both subscribed.
So they're
Not
gonna
that my mom is
Okay, you better fucking go right now.
fuck! You will make you hangover, you element. Element!
God,
Element!
all the elements of ass!
So as of right now, we're just cooling off the pipe with water so the condom doesn't just melt. You can see it's steaming like no other. His car smokes.
I have to pull my subscription. I'm pulling out hard right now.
Speaking of pulling out, I want to get a condom on that thing.
What a segue! What a fucking segue!
That has got to be like the intro, like at the end. Speaking of condoms, you want to pulling out, you want to go.
So we got our Magnum 36 count. Oh Jesus, look at this thing.
Oh god.
Let's just take a gander what we're looking at here. Typical day in the Straussgang.
I love my
So this first one we're gonna do without cutting the tip off. because that will just make it really big. Oh, look at this guy. Hope he sees this. Anyways. Oh, car coming by, even better.
Even better.
Oh, look at that. It's already filling up a little.
Really?
That's a big dick right there.
That's what I wear.
Alright, turn it off, turn it off.
Oh, shit. Fuck.
It just looks like a normal sized penis.
Don't rev it too hard. I know, but I can't get it back on. Don't rev it too hard. It'll stay on.
Oh, shit, no!
I think we need to tie it on the Kyle's car now.
I would agree. That's gonna stay on. It sucked in again. Why does it do that?
Great. So now we can safely fuck my exhaust.
I'm thinking if I just put it like way far up on his exhaust.
Yeah. Here, let's cut the tip first. It's just easier. That's the tip.
That's a big freaking gash in the tip.
Put it on there as far as you can.
Yeah,
I
that's
feel like,
not,
I feel like that.
God.
I feel like, yeah, that's not gonna do anything. Oh well, go for it.
What happened?
It was just like a shooting dick.
Okay. That doesn't do it. I don't know what was it.
Don't rev it right when you start it.
I never do.
Alright.
I heard that.
Now rev it.
Well, now you can start driving.
Kyle's got a new exhaust. Hold on, Kyle. Let me get this noise. Saturn straight pipe.
Oh, that's too good.
All right.
Look how fucking on the floor.
Now haul ass. Literally nothing.
Yeah, you hear that?
That is disgusting. Oh, it came off! Look at the difference.
Holy shit. It's like the yin and yang of condoms.
Are you the fucks that did this last year?
I remember that. I remember seeing that, and I almost pulled the trigger that night.
Do you know what we need to do?
What?
Make another. Props to Kyle. Props to Kyle.
I love
Yeah, yeah.
That's awesome. You just... Ah.
further out. Do you know how to turn on a carburetor?
We got a dick. Ah.
Please work.
Oh, one pop. Oh, okay. Well, that was a... You're gonna be zooming on all this shit. That's not your sauce.